Hey guys, I thought I would show you my current blogging station. This is how my desktop is set up to run the blog and my business. This is my monitor, which you've already seen before. It's a 30-inch Dell LCD. It's extremely big. And you know, some people has asked, how does a bigger monitor make you more productive? And this is an example. Because there's so much screen real estate, I can have a lot of windows open. In this case, I have two Firefox windows open, and I still can see my Twirl and my IM. The two browser windows side by side allows me just to blog more efficiently. I make my posts here, but I like posting in HTML mode. I don't like using the WYSIWYG editor, just because I like a little more control over my posts. When I'm looking for a preview, it's right next is the next window, so I can see a live preview over here, and if I need to make any changes, I just go back to this screen and make the change, hit save, and I could instantly make a preview over here. So it's just overall more efficient than flipping back and forth. I mean, having everything side by side, nothing, you know, one on top of the other, one on top of each other. It's just a lot easier to get things done, more efficient. And the fact that this thing's a Mac, I can set up you know, multiple spaces and stuff, so it's kind of cool. I like that. Yeah. My current system, as you no doubt guess, is an Apple product, but it's not a Mac. It's not a Mac desktop. It is a MacBook Pro laptop. Yes, the MacBook Pro laptop is powering this entire setup. The really nice thing about the MacBook Pro is that it has a dual link DVI output. This is extremely important because this Dell 30-inch monitor has a resolution that requires a dual link output. If you don't have a dual link output, you basically cannot run this monitor at its native resolution, and the MacBook Pro does have that. The other nice thing about setting it up this way is that, you know, I take this thing on the road with me. I travel a lot, and it's just nice to have all my programs, everything on one machine. I come home, I just dock it. I'm taking a row. I just unplug a few things and I take it with me. I'm undock. I'm on the road. The other nice thing about connecting the MacBook to the big Dell is that all I need is just one USB connector, because this Dell actually is a USB hub. You can't see it, but when you plug in one USB onto the Dell, it actually has 4 more USB out. It's actually on the side. You can see it. Like, it also has a card reader and 2 USB. There's also 2 on the bottom. So basically, this one USB connects the keyboard and any other USB product like digital camera or video camera, just flip camera that I need. It can connect it all, and I still have additional ports available. So all I have to do is just unplug one USB, unplug the speaker, you know, unplug the DVI, unplug the NIC and the FireWire, and I'm on the road. I'm ready to go. The MacBook has 200 gigs of hard drive space built in. That's generally enough for me to use on the road. But when I take a lot of videos, I can fill it up pretty quick. So once I get home, I transfer everything onto this Western Digital MyBook. It's 1 terabyte, and the thing I like about it, it's specially designed for the Mac. It uses a FireWire 800 cable. That's the connection, the FireWire 800 connection, and the speed of that interface is almost as fast as having a hard drive directly connected to the notebook. It's according to when I benchmarked it, it was almost as fast as using the eSATA port. So far, I load up 100 gigs of videos and pictures onto it, so I still got a lot of space left. The keyboard and mouse set is the Logitech S530. This is a special design for Macintosh. It's white. It's supposed to match the iMac, but it doesn't exactly match the MacBook Pro. But it's okay. You know, it has the Mac keys, the control key, and all the Mac functions. So it's just like using the regular keyboard, but it's a Mac. And just look at this. It gets you back your backspace key and has a delete key too. Something that's, well, if you have a Mac, you know. So this is my desktop system, which is also my mobile system.